Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Wagwan, black world. Don't look at my bra top.
He needs some milk.
Batty boy! What's up, guys? The boy Sinus can be like, comment, and subscribe. Yo! We're back at it again. It is Sunday. Sunday, it's a beautiful day. No, that camera, that more new camera. No can sponsor me. One camera. No, sir, there's so far in here. Hold on, I'm gonna rub you off. I'm clean off on the face. On the bed for a morning, me to my bed. Yeah. See, hear that little rat in the background? Yeah. That's baby Sinus. We're gonna drop her off. We're gonna fling her away down. We're gonna drop her by her grandma. So today, you got, hey! Thank you. Today, we're going on an adventure. Quick country trip. Right, Miss Sinus? Right, Miss Sinus?
I'll wait for 1 o'clock.
Yeah, so I wait from brother to take forever. I'm not calling on name, Bensley Hype. Hype! I'm gonna take forever to come. To the location, pause.
Okay, come down
Pause,
there.
sorry about that. So I wait upon him for forward, and then the whole way, I go journey. We're going to Ochi Rios, so this is how I go drop off right now.
Finally.
Are him? No, not him. Him not come. Still there, I wait. Yes! We are here, Vlog World. We are here. We are in Senton. We are here at this beautiful place that you call Draxar. There's Knutsford Express. There's Devon House. Pizza Hut. Starbucks. KFC. And all kind of different thing right here. This is where we're at right now. So, sorry I never get for film. When bro come pick me up, we there chatting at the vehicle and thing. Bro gone to Montego Bay. I would go book a bus back up because we just drop off back baby Sinus, so we're free. Yes! Freedom!
Thundercats! Oh!
So she gone down for the holiday and then thing there, so we can focus on beer work. You know what I mean? It's get this money so we can do road for the summer and have some fun and do road for Uno. I want to get back in the zone. Vlog World. Yeah man, it's time to get back in the zone and start do road. You know what I mean? You know what nice? If God can bless me with a car, I'm going to be able to drive around and go whole heap of place. Hold on, the bus will come. The bus will run me down.
Run.
See if God can bless me with all a vehicle now, I'm not telling a lie. That's not nice. I'm not be able to go whole heap of places and do better vlogs for you, way more vlogs, do more things, me and my Sinus and stuff. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm gonna make this money, do road. I want to go to the dance studio also too, because it's been a while since we got the dance studio and vlog for the Knutsford! Yeah! Yeah, I love Knutsford. Even when I get a can, vlog world, I still go take my Knutsford. I love it. There's something about traveling on a coach bus, or that's what they would call it in America, versus just driving. I'm the adventurous type. That's not really Miss Sinus. But I love it. One of my favorite things to do is walk. Yeah man, I love walking. Especially barefooted, if you don't know me. I feel one with nature, you know what I mean, and the earth. It's my love country. Me? Watch it. This is what I fall in love with. It's quiet here. It's nice. And it's peaceful, if you get me. That's the dealio, but yeah, vlog girl, me there. Such a one-on-one with you know, and just making you know what I go on. Look out for more live streams and things like how we can get a time to get back in the gear and focus up. You know what I mean? And just get this money. Also to more everybody to just be prepared for this Beryl hurricane thing. I know, I don't want it to come, but yeah, it's going to mash up a whole heap of things for me, like the tour them when we go up on the road, but yeah. Just I hope for the best. I want everybody stay safe and thing. But anyway, but there, enough chatting. Just go and journey with your boy. And I'll see you guys when we touch back in Kingston. Yo. Yo.
Nobody not in there.
Yo. Cookie apart. Look up. What did watch ya? Watch ya? Yes, you have one too. What's your next one ya? A multi-vehicle accident this, you know? A 3-vehicle that, you know?
Them are come on fire in too hard.
Yo.
Yo, so we are putting in the work. No 5 fingers, not jerk. Yeah, so we are putting in the work.
Alright, vlog world, what go on? So, it's another morning again. We end up God work it out. So yo, yesterday, get another drive from Big Brother. Him turn back. Him did dep on him we go mobi and like the man here a voice in our made say turn back. More time you have to follow the spirit. When you see the accident on my show, no? Last night on the toll with the 3 car them, a Mark X man. The Raptor and a Stream. Bend up. 3 more of that. Two more accidents we see. After that, it's like a sign. But anyways, another morning, Monday, look on the sky. Who don't know? Let me tell you this. The Hurricane Beryl come. Category 4. And I know something I look forward to. Big man thing because let me keep it 100% with all my people them. Jamaica nah no money. And we nah no money. Personally speaking, enough people in Jamaica don't have no money for deal with no hurricane right now. 2024 been rough for enough people and stuff like that. But anyway, me there, I shut up something quick, I do some work inside. I just remember about the vlog. So I say, right, I chat to you because we say we go vlog back again and thing. So yeah, and then we go up on the road. Yeah, we go up on the road with Jay Sinus, aka road manager, go Port Royal if you go check out a site where we go do a shoot pan. So we're gonna go and journey with your boy. Good day everybody. Jesus, I'm so black. Right now I'm in spicy sugar.
Sugar, that's fine.
I'm in spicy sugar. I like French patty. We're heading to Port Royal right now. Right now we're going there. Me and the team. Remember Abby? The friend here grew up. Yo, that ear rail is texturizing. That ear rail is texturizing. Yo, your ear grow fast, you know you. You don't know Jay. Up in that building. Yeah, we go jump fence. Yeah man, right now we go trespass on people land and see if we can shoot. And anyway I get the shot. I'm wearing my Yeezys by Kanye West. It have hole in it. See that, that's how you know. Now we are pants. But designed by ants. Ants and fiddle must be good. You know what I mean? They make it and design it.
It's sweet.
Yeah man, it's sweet. Yeah. It's sweet. Yeah, that's how we're going now. So we're gonna get so I get some French patty right now. She's embarrassed by us right here. Yeah, we'll get so you're shame? You're not shame. Abigail, you're not shame. She's shame. But me not shame. I like French patty. When you go and journey with your boy to reach your location, yeah, the vlog you go up today. Yes. Today it go.
Today it go.
Yeah. I like French patty. I'm gone now.
Yes, I take over Sinus phone if you don't know. This is a takeover. I find the vlog phone. I'm gonna take it
Look
over.
at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Takeover Sinus phone.
My girl in here saying nothing. Black like midnight, you know.
In the shadow.
You know, she see her?
In the shadow. We're like, Abby, what are you doing in the shadow?
In the field, look at them.
Me got the good old wife. Hold me, cat. Hold me. She got the good old.
Doesn't matter, say?
So the inside now.
It's a bad picture, you know, but Lance camera would have to take it up better.
No.
So,
Yo, me look sick there, so.
Yeah,
Yo, me need that picture there for put him in a real youth man still can't muggle in a youth. Big up to Altaling, my mentor. Alright, vlogger, so right now we in Woodsland. This right here where my sinus is going to shoot VR video. Me not shoot nothing right here, so I may be the photographer, one of the photographers, but right here is the Woodsland. I be a wood there. You see them be a board. And all for the ladies. For the ladies, this is your Woodsland. So this is next here we'll get an idea. We're not gonna see how it's there. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, anyway. But they are joining with your boy. Vlog world. I'm back home. I'm back home. I am back home. So right now, I'm gonna edit up the vlog here quick and fast for you. Fling it up and ting. Please share up. Please like up. And a bag of things. And today our Monday, July the 1st. It's summer. But right now, the hurricane is going to come liquid, you know. January, we really hope it not come Beryl. You know what I mean? The time is 3:49 p.m. So the place I get back that, you know. It's kind of set good at all. You know, go and pray for me. Big ups to everybody. Shout out to me sinus. I go and hold the fort. I know say more time I get hard on the work. I go and press through. But if you don't give up, you know what I mean? Joe, my brother, I know you. I go through it, you know? Rest in peace, Otis. Odin, sorry. Adachi, go and hold the fate, my party. Mr. Williams, go and do the thing. Shari Parry, go and put in the work. Yo, Talify, big up yourself. Yo, Sherry Sinus, go and hold the fate and press through, yeah? Yeah, man. Snake, I see you, my brother. Keep living, keep pressing through. Yeah. You know what I mean? God, man. You know, you're glad, man. Hey, pick up yourself, man. Congrats on the graduation and all them things there. Predal, go and do the thing. Sorrow, yeah. Big up yourself. Who else? Jesus, there's so much people to big up. The whole community. Bless up, man. Love you guys very much. And big ups to the whole entertainment peeps too. Who watch the vlog them and share it up. You don't know. I mean, everybody. First dance studio. Big up Auntie Jody. The whole crew. Auntie them. Grandma them. But me there, peeps. I go live soon. Pixel, big up yourself. I go live soon and thing. And yeah, I go and put in the work. So we just go and journey the boy and go and pray for it regarding this town. Love you guys. You know what I mean? So just continue, stay focused, stay positive, stay motivated, keep pushing to the top. You ain't gonna stop. And remember that nothing can stop us. Because God, I will back.
Hosanna, she call me the Godfather. Rifle a wave like a bandana.